What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And in today's video we are going to take a look at the Redmi K50 smartphone series which are going to launch very soon, and we have its processor specifications which you need to know about these smartphones before they launch. So if you are new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So now that you have done that, let's get started. So the Redmi K40 series was a success, and not only that, in India it launched as a Poco F3 GT. Now that being said, that the Redmi K50 series will be featuring three smartphones, which will be the K50, the K50 Pro and the K50 Pro Plus. Now what's different between these will be that all of these will be first of all coming with a high refresh rate AMOLED panel, and the K50 will be featuring a 90Hz of panel and the rest of the two will be featuring a 120Hz of the high refresh rate panel. On the processor side also, the Redmi K50 and the K50 Pro will be having a Snapdragon 888 processor, which is the flagship of this year. And not only that, but the K50 Pro Plus will be featuring a Snapdragon 898 5G processor. Now this processor is yet to be launched in any of these smartphones. It has not been seen on any of these smartphones as of now, and it will be launching in 2022 with these smartphones. On the camera side also, there will be a triple camera setup in the Redmi K50 with a 48 megapixel of a primary camera, and in the K50 Pro it will be a 50 megapixel of a primary camera, and whereas the K50 Pro will be featuring an 108 megapixel of its primary camera. Now if we talk about the charging speeds of this phone, then all three will be giving you a fast charge, but that's also not only just 30 watts or 20 watts of fast charging just like the another smartphones, but it will be featuring a 67 watts of fast charging with the K50, 100 watts of fast charging with the Pro, and the Pro Plus will be featuring 120 watts of fast charging. Now according to this post, which was being leaked on the Weibo, which is the China's Twitter, and there are the specifications which is being leaked as of now. Now the price of the smartphone will be a surprising one which has been teased, and we'll cover that in the very next video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.